topic when you want to share with them you law. This time me change your mind or you change your mind for you. And subtopic me one question where me one am now me kakai blow mind for you. One am na kakai where you use him blow you feed him blow mind for you. Why me bring him this topic and me very important. Me think say me very important because mind me um, manage every system blow body play um, the way you behave, the way you act, the way where you talk, and when you tell them, when action where you make them, and me control by your mind. And mind do you know when we decide, say by you make them all actions here. Society believe me and me full up law immorality today. Um, despite the fact that the me full up law immorality and me got good something too and me stop. We got all good people all this stuff. And reason why me want them see me do group low mind because uh, low mind do you mean? And me place with decision making and me take place. You decide do you make them good, you decide do you make them bad things. Low mind do you mean? And me place the battlefield, and me place with great controversy and me take place. The battle between good and evil and me take place low mind. The battle between God and Satan and me take place low mind. And every day uh, devil would them go to play fight, to play control their mind, really. And so you must be very careful because block God and mind, really, because whoever where you me legal mind, you me lo hand them, me control them. Um, as you me give you mind, you me lo God, me control them, then good things by me come out as a result of of that. But suppose you me legal mind, you me lo the Satan, the devil, me control them. You got impact plan where me negative impact will by you me face them and you by you yet you face them family blue by you face them community blue by you face them church by me face them and by me affect them work too so I mean very important so you me look how you me have a change your mind we me do and God I mean want them control their mind therefore I mean tell them some instruction inside the word blam where you need to uh, suppose where you need to follow more instruction yeah but you need to uh, reach him uh, victory but you need to victorious and I mean very important that you need to uh, give him mind that you need to the control block God and I mean very important that you need to feed him mind that you need to with them good information information you may live long time only call them the information age. And plan the information and me good, and plan the information and me no good. Suppose we you may decide do you may listen to bad information, rubbish information by me destroy life, please. Or rubbish the information and me come law movies and me come law worldly music. Those are bad information. Only come law rubbish something you watch them. You can maybe you watch some pornography or blue movies or you start attend them all event where only involved only feed him evil where Mr. Lo heart to you more evil where Mr. Lo mind to you. Therefore me very important and plan the you meal Christians you may face them lots of challenges but you make them right decision but you me use your mind you me therefore me very important but you need to look at this topic now yeah as you need to start to go through ham um, change of mind it must be priority for you change of mind and it must be priority for you and First, give me three definitions. And by me look, let me say the first one. Let me say the element or complex of elements in an individual that feels, perceives, thinks, wills, and especially reason. Okay, one part blow, body blow you, which is very complex, where help blow you have a feel, you have a perceiving or something, you have a looking something, you have a thinking, and you have exercise and will blow you, and more you have a reason too, you have a thinking. Blande. In the second definition, let me say the conscious mental events and capabilities in an organism. Okay, one organism where we got the conscious, any conscious law or something where we happen around them. Okay, number three, the organism, the organized conscious and unconscious adaptive mental activity of an organism. So number three, we talk about one organized conscious and unconscious uh, adaptive mental activity of one organism. So man, mind blue man, human being, you may got the conscious mind and the unconscious mind. The conscious mind, the one where style of front blow, forehead blow you, blow head blow you. Conscious mind, where we usually make a decision making law every day. Conscious mind, for example, you stop now, you aware law, one and when stop around you. Um, you listen, law voice blowing, and you looking screen, and then you always say you maybe you stand low one chair or you stand low mat or you aware law all surroundings play one and we happen one and we stop close up you or one and we stop law surroundings play and unconscious mind more like one uh, more like a bank uh, where you store information. Okay, and as by we go by me looking, okay, how mindly me go and me create them and me so um, wonderful, and then me doing lots of things, and there are actually you got two parts of mind really. You got conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind and emotion, according to this uh, website, and me say the conscious mind is you or your awareness at the present moment. You are aware of something on the outside as well as some specific mental functions happening on the inside. For example, you are aware of your environment, your breathing, the chair that you are sitting on. Okay, so conscious mind is that part of the mind where you make you aware of everything where you surrounding you. When it happen, you have we say okay, you got maybe want something and it's to happen now. Yeah. Okay, you harem one noise someplace or something when you start color supply you and one way conscious mind blue you uh, any looking any think about okay is more than you being aware of what is present around you. Okay, and your subconscious mind is like a huge memory bank. Its capacity is virtually unlimited. It permanently stores everything that ever happens to you. By the time you reach the age of 21, you've already permanently stored more than 100 times the contents of the entire Encyclopedia Britannica. Wow, this is really interesting. Subconscious mind you and yourself one huge memory bank, right? Where you store everything and storage capacity blam and you store everything and anything where me ever happen to you the entire life please. Okay, awesome. These inside lo britannica.com and me tala mo when we talk about conscious mind of age. Memory bank blue, conscious mind, subconscious mind blue. I mean, store them 100 times the content of the entire encyclopedia. Encyclopedia me will be people a book. We talk about history and we talk about planet something. And think about how mind blowing me to subconscious mind blowing me to and me got one unlimited space. Okay, and me got unlimited capacity. But me store everything where you need to think about. Every event where you need to go through them. Everything where you need to ever experience them. Everything where you need to ever harm. Everything where you need to ever touch them. Everything where you need to ever watch them. Or you need to ever look. Subconscious mind and store. So subconscious mind blue you need to human being and yourself this entire universe. You have a put this entire universe you go inside land. Yet by you know have by me still got space blow you full map. Subconscious mind. Let me start back blow mind blow you. Back blow head blow you. Conscious mind and me always start front blow face blow you. And then I'm place where you make a vision, make conscious mind and subconscious mind and storage space where you store things permanently. Your mind blow you to. So madam see me to look one computer system to look him how mind blow me to me operate. Mind blow me to me operate also one computer. So you look the left plus screen blow you. You got one computer where me stop, you got the mouse, um, one CPU, central processing unit with them, one monitor with them, one keyboard. And he got one doctor when me put him and me by looking at me accept input. This is where input and me take place like keyboard, flash drive or external drive. Okay. When you put you input information, you input me go inside law memory. And memory the computer you got two memory. Okay. You got one where you call them uh, pro RAM. RAM and the memory block computer when we process some information. When we process some data. RAM and the random access memory. And the memory where you also mind blow man. Conscious mind blow man. And then you got one storage backend inside the memory where you call them ROM. Read-only memory. Read-only memory and memory where we store something permanently. And you also subconscious mind blow man, right? So computer or computer engineers only produce computer only um, only produce memory blow computer and you also memory blow man. Okay, um, computer and process data through random access memory. Okay, when you also conscious mind blow man. And then we store data permanently inside the ROM when you read only memory. When you also subconscious mind blow man. And then after when we process some data, processing minimal some say and you calculate them data, me doing anything where you want them say you want them to computer and me doing blue and then me produce some output. And when I'm now me produce when I'm now using blue me produce some output time we look low right side plus screen blue by looking screen to computer. And now we only call them place where output them out I mean output them information. Okay, and any monitor speaker time where you make maybe you listen to music. Okay, more printer time where you print one where you work lamp or also you have a storage law or storage uh, um, or storage things when flash drive external hard drive CD-ROM or DVD uh, um, DVD ROM or DVD writer. So and then I mean one when we happen. Okay, low computer, especially time computer and process them, and accept them input and process them operate also on computer. Okay. Brain blue you me and me accept them input through los one and we low nose spleen, low ear spleen, low high low touch spleen, low high spleen, low taste spleen. Okay. You got all five of our senses where information and you also um, um, the channel of or the doorway to our conscious mind. Okay. And then now uh, you pretty every information equal a conscious mind and then brain believe me and me process them information and me store them information then and me output them information and then we need to output them information you need to output them the voice the action the way you need to look the way you need to behave so and then now and me that way you need to output them information so body believe me you need to through all five senses, you may accept them input, you go to brain and you process them, and then you store them, then and give them output the voice and action. So this is basically one enemy happen inside law system blame. So still let me say, what do you think about when you time we look at someone or you watch them something? Okay, suppose when you look at one man, maybe you start thinking no good lamb. Later maybe you start watch someone Ravis movie, then it making you start thinking no good. Or maybe you come across the one something the way you watch and maybe you come across the one money fight or and then you start thinking no good. Uh, and when I'm not thinking time we reading something, we reading one newspaper, you reading book or you reading or news or internet. Um, and when I'm now you think about when I'm thinking you got time we start listening to one man or the music, one popular music or one worldly music, or you listen to one preaching, or you listen to one story and one good story and one bad story. Okay, the time when you need to start thinking, the time when you need to look someone, you need to read him something, and you need to start listening. You need to actually take information you go inside the body brain, your mind brain, you process them all information. Yeah. Okay. And who's the name good already? And you also do you think of anything good or bad? Do you think any something any good? Or you think they lost something any not good? Me tell them the beginning say mind blowing any place where war it take place, fight between good with them evil. And so you must look out them good mind blowing. Be very important. Because time when more you thinking about good, then but you come good. Suppose you thinking more about bad things, but you come bad. Music and me want something whatever and use in planet today. And the contemporary music, the modern music, the society today, and be controlled by the devil. At least the Crowley and me one Satanist where me worshiping devil. And me come up with them this expression. Do what thou wilt is the whole of the law and the love. Okay. Let me say, just do it. You make them any something you want them make them. Okay. And me now and me law where I mean low blow laugh. Or in other words, low hand laugh. So do what I will or do whatever you want. Maybe one expression where any tribe and plan the young people do they only doing whatever you want them doing. Whether any bad or any evil, they don't care. Only just do it. Okay, and then let me say put together a system of magic that if ever combined with the power of music would be able to revolutionize the world. Okay. This is let me talk about how suppose when you use magic within music, but you have a revolutionize them all. But you have a change them all, but you have a transform them all. And I'm true. Music can be so powerful today. And develop me so successful with the power of music. me bring him disorder and division inside the home, the family. Today, all young fella, only no most quiet the house, only for them street, and barely for them all gangs, only got all music, only want them listen la. Okay, and these Satanists, Alistair Crowley, and he's so successful. Okay, all ideas for him, and me one them where Mr. happen today, the music, entertainment industry, where I mean music. So all picking blue me, all young fella blue me, you must be very careful. The one them kind of music you must use 'em, or you must listen lah, because devil and music, they know it. Only use your magic with the music, only control them well, change them well. The book here, The Secret Power of Music, page 153, Rolling Stone. They say, we are moving after the minds, and so are most of the new groups. Okay. Music, only use them target them on them, only target the minds of people. Only target them place where people only use them only thinking. Then we use your mind only thinking. That is where the devil knew. Okay. Mind any place where any place plus any central part of decision making. Any place where you make them all great decisions. And devil and me want them control them place here where you make them decision. From the time when you control them place where you make them decision, where me mind do you. And me say manipulate them you. And me say play with them you. And me say make them you doing anything. Okay. Don't be thinking that you make them one all division, but you maybe you backslide or you fall them wall. You think say or you listen to all kind of music the wall where you no good. You think say something where me no more. No, you've been controlled by the devil. And here this group, most of those rock and roll players, musicians, little man only worshiping devil, and they said we are moving after the mind. Only want them control them mind. All same way most Lord planet groups today only make them controlling the mind and the objective law or worldly musicians. Don't be asking me no damn questions. Man, I wouldn't know anything except that we are exploiting the kids, right? We exploit them all kids. So you must be careful how devil let me use your music, let me destroy family, let me remove them out of pickaninny. Maybe you one man where you got pickaninny beans, you listen to these series of study. I mean very important. Like you look out them good pickaninny blue. One music and Mr. Listen Lamb from say music when me listen lamb. But me say destroy life plan. So I mean very important. Like you look how them good all pickaninny blue. Romans 8 verse 7 and me say, because the carnal mind is enmity against God, for it is not subject to the law of God, neither indeed can be. Carnal mind and me fleshly mind. One mind where me flesh, and one mind where me full of lust, and me full of wickedness. And me now me enmity against God, it means me separate them you with them God. Okay. Man where me got carnal mind, by me never obey him law blow God. Yes. People who only go against him law blow God. They are categorized among carnal minded people, really full of flesh, lust. And time where you tell them, Lord, someone say, Lord, you know, obey him, Lord, blow God. That is what you are trying to tell them. Separate yourself from God. Okay? Don't have anything to do with the law of God. Listen lamb, believe lamb. So that is satanic teaching. And carnal mind. I mean one something where I mean separate them you with them God you. Therefore I mean very important. Okay. Time Satan and me move come inside your mind. And me got access to your mind. And then me control your mind. But it's very hard for you go back. You come back to God unless you confess your sin for you and you repent. And those people, those musicians always have a good say. You may target a mind for picking in your young fella. But you take them out, or get all the parents broke it up. But you divide them home, but you divide them society. That be so important on family block God. You look how them good mind play you. Look how them good old picnic you lo one them will start listen them, one them will start watch them. Because he carry information. And picnic brand but picnic me also one sponge. Sponge and me take them anything. Whether me good and evil take them. So be mindful of what you give to your children or what your children get out there in the world. Time will start with them or other beginning. So I mean very important. This is the result of a carnal mind. Lust and evil thoughts and murders, adultery, fornication, and the list goes on. Huh? Goes on. You go Galatians 5:19 and 20. List the work of flesh, carnal mind, carnal activity, fleshly activity, adultery, fornication, uncleanness, lasciviousness, adultery, witchcraft, hatred, variance, emulations, wrath, strife, seditions, heresies, envy, murders, drunkenness, revelings, everything here. Only part of carnal mind, where you know, and them obeying God, you know, and them obeying law of God, and you know, and them subject law of God. So all these things where is the heart, mind now, and me dictate them all the members or part of the body blow you me action. Romans 12:2 and also. And be not conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. Romans 12:2. Let me say, live up to the standard warrior. Do not be conformed to this world. Live up to the standard warrior. Live or say more wall man the warrior or live. Okay. Drink cover. Smoke. Drink you call a nightclub. Drink alcohol. Swell all man all part. Or you got one good home. You got them good home blow you. You got them good wife play. Committing violence against them or picking evil. Committing violence against them wife play. Okay. So and be not conformed to this world. From say warrior inside the warrior, people only committing violence against a woman, commit violence against a picnic. You got rape, you got adultery, you got fornication. Man only drink all bound. This warrior and full up of flesh. Okay, carnal minded people. That is why takes me say, do not be conformed to this world. Me say, follow carnal minded people the warrior. Okay, but be you transformed by the renewing of your mind. Make sure say we transform mind by you, the way you think, by any change, mind any renewed. Blow one and mind you and you remove and you renewed, then by you come blow you prove one and me good more acts where God and me accept them, where me perfect will plan. Time where mind blow you me and me transform. You me start will block out everything where you me doing. By God and me direct me blow you me leave law. Where me accept them. You may leave the perfection for God, but you may make them one them way God and me want them, where me will for God. Okay? So God and me want them say you me follow them will plan. And the only thing we by you mean doing you me follow them will plan means you must pray all the time, reading Bible, study Bible, and go to church. Alright? Take them good information, read them all good books or Christian books, whereby me helping you, blow you think good. You thinking of good things instead of you thinking of rubbish things. How no by you to transform on the Dr. God and Mishawe transform and you need to. Inside of this book what you call them Acts of the Apostles, page 519 in Mitalamosia. The apostles sought to teach the believers how important it is to keep the mind from wandering to forbidden themes or from spending its energies on trifling subjects. Mind blowing thing, you must be careful, lamb. You must look out them good blow and wander law or forbidden something where you should thinking lamb. And you need to not allow him Satan's devices must guard well the avenues of the soul. Okay, you may look you look all avenues plus soul blow you mean. I mean high blow you, ears blow you where you harm something, touch blow you, smell. Okay. Mm. All these all avenues plus soul. And you need to must look how them good from say now any input you need to use all avenues you need to input in information into inside your brain you need to blame your processor so you need to must look how them good lo Satan got access through your mind you need to law all avenues plus solve you need and then let me say they must avoid reading seeing or hearing that which will suggest impure thoughts okay let me say you need to must avoid you need to read him or watch him or harem listening or something whereby you need to or thinking where evil. The mind must not be left to dwell at random upon every subject that the enemy of souls may suggest. Mind we need to must look out them to dwell or thinking with devil by any success that me come lo mind we need to. So very important. So you need to look out them good mind. Continue me say the heart must be faithfully sentinel. Okay? Keep him good heart play. Look out them good heart play. Or evils without. Evil will stop outside. Will awaken evils within. Okay? You may be look low first topic play me about one heart where me evil. Especially me to look out them good heart play me too. Evil where me stop outside by me come and me wake him up. Evil where me start heart play me too. And soul will wander in darkness. Wander in darkness. Soul when you start you need to leave low darkness. So very, very important. And let me say, get up the loins of your mind, right? Get up the loins of your mind. Peter wrote, be sober and hope to the end, for the grace that is to be brought unto you at the revelation of Jesus Christ. Okay? Get up the loins of your mind. Look how them good mind will you. Clothe them good. May you allow him blood of Jesus and you protect the mind, will you. Okay, be sober. Be sober. You got one clear mind. Drink. Allow him alcohol and destroy and brain blow you, the way you think, the way you process them or something. And hope to the end for the grace that is to be brought unto you at the revelation of Jesus Christ. Friends and families, time where you allow him, God blame you and me feed him mind blow you the word blame, the grace blame, the mercy blame, the love blame, the good for information where you read him, the Bible, the good for the book, um, spiritual books, religious books, by any all time, but you grow in grace. You grow from grace to grace, and you start grow from grace to grace. You start go through a sanctification process, whereby me leading you where you go, where you meet in Jesus' time when we come. May God by me bless you as you make one decision where you control a mind blow you. No allow a mind blow you, hand blow devil. No give you mind blow you, hand blow devil. By me destroy me, life blow you. Therefore, God me ask him blow you give him life blow you lamb. And you give him mind blow you lamb. Blow and by me bless him, when me keep him blow you make him all good decision. Whereby me and me impact them life blow you positively. By impact them life the family blow you positively. And impact them life the community or church blow you positively. And impact them work blow you positively. And by you looking